Next stop, Southbridge.
Can he find that? I know.
No, this time he's like seriously missing. Just a little bit independent. Everyone else would take like Albert and that. By the kind of long you've been away for like a couple hours from it.
Hi.
Right, I'll phone you if they find them. What's this one go to them?
Yeah. I don't like taking maybe on
Lottie, just go here.
Wait, who the what? Wait, there's no car.
She gets left.
There's one out there. She's gone to sit more. I don't really at the back.
Why? Well, there wait door and what do you
5 stops.
have?
I'm going to get off at Rodney Street.
I thought Richard checking Becky Park.
Another 10-minute walk.
Yeah, but that'll be to Tesco's and then on, won't it? Yeah.
Oh,
Do I have any? No, I don't think I bought any. Why wouldn't
What's
it? Hang now. Oh. No, don't.
I feel stuck because I've been on the job for ages.
Did I
I
bring
just
any
want to get
cheese?
him to find himself.
me too.
I've got a nail file. I can file that off. No, it doesn't matter. You can still file it. These were on fire earlier. My hands were either that cold that they don't feel as hot as they were. Yeah. I don't know what causes the chemical reaction. You can get reusable ones that you just pop in the microwave. Yeah, you can charge up.
Electric.
Yeah, electric. My mate had one.
How long do they stay hot for though?
3 different settings.
Help
Oh wow.
Do you mean to help people? I help my mum.
We'll never know.
No, we will never know.
Well, when I went, first night, we just went in the market, just had lots of freaky bits. Yeah, like the dumplings and things, that was our dinner. Still had it up though.
It's cheap now, like, all things considered, like how touristy it is, it's still quite affordable.
Yeah, it was good. I spent more than I thought I
Me
was
and
spending.
also
All
my
that
mum.
but then our flight accommodation was so fucking cheap. And the hotel we stayed in was very basic, but oh my god, they weren't skimping on the heating. It was boiling. We had to open the window and it was like snow outside. I was like, it was so hot. And every night we went to a really, really posh hotel that we flew across, and we had nice little cocktails. And that was our like nightly tickle. Every night we did it. Oh, it was lush. It's like an amaretto thing. We'd go in and have a cocktail, feel a bit posh, and then go back to our summer hotel.
I just hope they're sharing this. My dog's been
No.
Been to Dublin.
No, I haven't.
Next
That's quite
stop,
expensive.
Leith Street.
No, I don't know.
Apparently it's good, but... Am I going to Belfast? So I'm going to the Titanic.
Oh, really?
Yeah, Belfast.
Is that where it says sail from? Bill.
Bill, wasn't it? Did it set sail from Southampton?
Oh, I don't know. Someone said it came from Liverpool and then picked up people in Southampton, but it's dockyard in Liverpool.
Because I'd said to your dad about Belfast, and they're real cheap flights. You can get a flight up to 20 quid. Back.
Oh, just that.
I don't know, you know.
Oh no. Shut up.
I said to him today on the phone, he was talking about it again, and I said, well, I think maybe you and I would just take a flight, or we'll book a flight, and we'll just do there and back in a day, and that would be the sort of place to do it. You know, go to the Titanic and come back again. You know, just so he's on a plane, and he will have no choice, he's got to go back on it, and he's got to come across the sea.
He knows.
Come on, back. Take ages. Need to go. What the? I got the dog here. What has got? I got feet up. My God. Look what driver. I'll do that. Because it's louder.
I think I just went on fish key. Okay, thank you.
Ah, visiting the Titanic, Belfast after the
Oi, she's sitting. Oi, yeah.
That I'd go to, that would be really good.
I think your dad would like that as well.
I don't know where
The film.
Not so bad.
Well, it's more like that. I think.
And then he's like flying over water.
What can home?
Even though it's like
I
50 miles.
said to him, we can book flights, and if you don't get on them, what we on? 50 quid. No, because we do it there and back in the day. Yeah, just do it day trip, yeah. I said to him, just don't tell anybody you're doing it.
I'd give up on him with getting him on a plane. I'll just look for alternative
He doesn't want to give up though, he said.
Yeah, but is he just saying that to not let you down?
I don't know.
Because I know he's disappointed in himself, but
Rodney Street.
Okay,
I reckon he'll just disappoint himself again. I don't reckon he'll do it. Not if he's that terrified.
I don't know, if he said to try it, I'd give him one last shot, and then if he didn't do that, I'd give up anyway. I mean, well, I'd make him pay a day. Mine, I wouldn't fucking pay in case he didn't go. At least I'd come on this trip. If it was just the two of us, I'm not losing money.
As long as you don't end up arguing.
No, that's right.
Because he's in this high emotional state, you don't want to end up having a bang at the airport.
No, well, no, I just would
Next stop, Broughton Street.
Yeah.
I'll leave it up to him. If he wants, I'm going to push him into doing it. But if he says no, let's try, let he's fun.
You're going to have it in your expectations that like, it's probably not going to go.
Yeah.
We be here.
I think I do. There'll be other stuff to do anyway. Well, it came from up there.
I don't fish more.
What we got? down. Walk down.
Not Dublin, all I see people doing is getting is that like
Now what are you now?
Yeah, yeah, and I don't like Guinness. So,
because when you just pass
What are you now?
Guinness, you get totally
Why?
yeah.
You're not here.
We're not getting off at Granny's house.
No, I don't think.
Why?
I think there must be some other stuff to do. I mean, it's just a community process.
Next stop, Mansfield Place.
Stuff there, surely. It's not high up on my list of places to go to. I'm not really some places.
mob tourists coming here.
Yeah.
It's like full of energy.
I'd rather get a plane to fly or something like that. You've been anywhere? Yeah, I'd like to go. I've been there.
I've rather been Budapest, probably the two best.
Budapest is on my list as well, yeah. No. I was going to go with my friend Nikki, but then she got to go.
On the scale of Budapest.
Yeah. Yeah, and then we just never went. I didn't ask her to go. Yes. Yeah, then I blocked out time in my diary for Budapest. No, she's already
Arriving at Broughton Drive
she got
North.
she was doing
In
it
15
anyway, but
minutes
it got
and at Waterfront View
yeah, it got
in
more
21
serious. And
minutes.
then shit never got booked, and I turned down
Next
a couple of
stop,
weddings that
Bellevue
weekend, and I
Crescent.
thought, oh, I'll never do that again, so I lost money there. And that's why I did my trip to Palmer on my own, because I thought, oh, I just don't have to rely on people, I just have to go and do these things on my own. Because I thought I was going to be single forever. I don't know. No, I did it a different weekend in the end, but
It's hard to find people, you know,
my mate Mel, she does it. Oh yeah, they dress her around so big.
Next stop, Rodney Street. Next stop, Hemingway's. Next stop, Royal Botanic Gardens. Next stop, Warriston Drive. Next stop, Warriston Gardens. Next stop, Botanic Terrace. Next stop, St James Church.
لا مو مشكلة يا حبيبي، لا عادي يا حبيبي، مش مشكلة. يا ليلي يا أخبارك ونورك وصحتك كيف حالك؟ لا مو مشكلة يا حبيبي، ذات نفرق مو بخي يا الزول ده ما بقسم عننا. خلاص أنا أشوفك أروع معايا يا أخي، الزول ده الساعة 6 بالليل يعني حاجة كده ما ضايق مشكلة. مرة ثانية إن شاء الله يا حبيبي، تسلم كثير يعني.
Next stop, Wardie Road.
Who's like no difference?